separation of amines through nitro compounds. Now what are amines? These are either primary amines, secondary amines or tertiary amines, which are, let me write one down, this is amino methane or methylamine. This is the common name and the upper one is the IUPAC name. And if we add another methane, attach another methyl group, then it's going to be dimethylamine or it's going to be amino 1,2 amino dimethane. And then moving on, we see the nitro compounds that are nitriles, nitrous acid, nitrous compounds, and amides. Nitrile contain the CW1 and 4 nitrous contain the NO2 group beta, and then the amides contain the dysfunctional group. Now what we see is the reduction of all of these. How will the reduction occur? Either through lithium aluminum hydride or through catalytic reduction or through active metals. Active metals like SN, Fe use HCl or H2SO4, which are strong acids, and the catalytic reactions use hydrogen, active hydrogen, in the presence of Pb, Pb or nickel, and they use high temperatures. Active metals cannot produce triple bonds, so they will not produce C triple bond N. But these catalysts can reduce the C triple bond N. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce all, but due to economic purposes we only use it for amides. And then we also have the Hoffman bromination or degradation method, through which we obtain 1 carbon less of amide. So moving on, this is the general scheme of it. Now we're going to see the reduction of nitriles. So if we have, for example, ethane nitride, what am I going to react it with? I'm going to react it in the presence of H2 and Pb. And then I'm going to use 300 degrees Celsius temperature. What's going to happen is I'm going to form an amine, which is a amino ethane. Now for example, if we have over here phenyl group attached to a nitride group, so it's going to be phenyl ethane nitride. I'm going to react it with the same reagents. What it's going to form is the same amine, which is phenyl amino ethane. Alright, so moving on, we see the reduction of nitrile. Now we see the reaction of compounds, which look like this. So if you see that this is nitro ethane, I'm going to react it in the presence of HNHCl, and I'm going to convert it into an amine, which is again the same nitroarenes, can also be converted into aryl amines. This group over here, and I'm going to react it with in the presence of HNHCl. What I'm going to get is so what we're going to form is benzene 1,2-diamine or 1,2-diamino benzene. From here we name this as a substituent, so what we form is 1-nitroaniline. So we can also use SN, we can also use iron, we can also use zinc, so we can use active metals. Now moving on, we use lithium aluminum hydride for amines, reaction of amides. We can use, if we have acetamide or amido ethane, I'm going to react it in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, and then I'm going to add hydrogen. So what it's going to do is form the ethane amine. And then moving on, if I see the Hoffman degradation method, what we're going to form is amino ethane with the mole of KBRN.